Alright, what up? I'm gonna do a progress update on the car. We hit the weekend, and I want to complete a lot this weekend. 100%. So, yeah, we took off the back bumper. Now I don't repair the back to the shape that I'd like it to be in before we get into like filling and then the last step, painting. So for this weekend I'm going to focus on the back, get that up to speed, because pretty much the rest of the body's good. There's going to be a lot of work in the back here, because I have to go back of the car, underneath the car, in the trunk, and then we're going to have to go through and really remove all the rust. Just want to take everything out, and if it means making a few holes, then it's going to have to happen, because there's a lot of damage on the fenders there. So we're going to hop on that. So, done a lot to the car. The lighting might be bad here, but that's alright. Let's zoom out. I'm going to show you right here. So, because of the rust damage to the car, I ended up cutting the bumper, pulling it out, and attempting to expose as much rust as possible. As you can see, like, pretty much everything here is contaminated, you could say. So we're gonna try and clean up as much as we can. A little bit of an unconventional fix, but that's the goal. Alright, what up? This is episode 4 of the project. Still have yet to finish the third episode video today. Did some practice welds. Gonna finish here. Gonna get another run through. Essentially testing the camera against the welding right now on low ISO. I just want to see if I could get a nice line. As you can see, this just comes off. Not a good weld yesterday, huh? And yeah, then we gotta jump to the car, finish this in the next few hours, and go and return the goods. And then we're gonna have to start deciding for the next step. So, yeah, let's jump into it. Still not welding good, eh? This is gonna be tough. Like, I'm supposed to get like a pool melted as one. We're gonna have to do another run through. Practice runs galore here. Alright, confirmed. It's got to be faster. That's why it's not pooling up. I could see, I'm getting a little bit of a pool right now, but I need more of the flux core to come out for myself to be able to pull it. You see that? Oh. Weld is struggling. Look at this, it's so fucking hot. That's kind of the update on the car. So we're gonna do some more cleaning. I'm gonna see how much more rust I could get out from the back, and then I think it just might be a slow week on repairs. Yeah, and I just want to get the rust done so we can move on to the body work, and yeah, painting's the ultimate goal, because once that's done, we just put the car together. This is the hardest part right now. And I mean, we're done the front, we're almost done the back. Side needs to touch up. It's like we still haven't even really gotten underneath the car, and oh, well, we'll see where we go from there. This is take 2 recording, because the first time my sound did not work, but you can see right here, driver's side. Turn on the flashlight, and wow, we got a new problem. Yep, it's one of the support screws for the left side rear plastic covering. You can see right there at the back of the wheel well, there's some more rust buildup. And then, what a fantastic surprise to find that. Here's how it looks from the inside. Yeah, it's just great. Just absolutely great.